So, coming to the topic, that is TS of anther. TS of anther shows sporogenous tissue which is covered by number of layers. These layers are protective and nutritive in function. Firstly, we discuss about the cellular structure of anther. In this, there are, as we already discussed, that the immature anther contains parenchymatous cell. Parenchymatous cell or tissue. This parenchymatous cell or tissue undergoes number of divisions and form two types of archisporial cell. Archisporial cell or tissue. This archisporial cell or tissue undergoes division and forms two different types of cell or tissue called as inner sporogenous cell and outer primary parietal cell. Okay, now this sporogenous cell form group called as sporogenous tissue. Sporogenous tissue, and this sporogenous tissue later on form microspore. Now moving to the outer primary parietal cell, this outer primary parietal cell form anther walls. These anther walls are of four types. These anther walls are of four types. The outer protective epidermis, which is single layer, flattened single layer. Below the epidermis, there is endothecium. There is endothecium, which is a single layer again and elongated cell having in the endothecium cells. The third layer is a group of layer, 3 to 4 layer of middle layer. Middle, in fact, it is known as middle layer. It is known as middle layer. It is 3 to 4 layer of, and the last one is nutritive tapetum. Nutritive cell wall, that is tapetum, and inside all these cell walls there is a sporogenous cell, that is sporogenous tissue, and this sporogenous tissue form a microspore, that is pollen grain. That is pollen grain. Now come to the figure. In your textbook, figure 1.4a जो है TS of anther, you have to prepare this diagram. Practice it. Without that, you can't draw it very well. See, the TS of anther shows outer single layer flattened cell epidermis. The first one is epidermis, or this way, single layer. Below the epidermis, there are elongated cell. A single layer again is called as endothecium. These endothecium are subepidermal layer made up of radially elongated cell with a fibrous thickening. जाडजूड असे fibrous structure असते. Inner to the endothecium is middle layer made up of 1 to 2 layered, which may disintegrate in mature anther. एंडोथेशियमच्या आतमध्ये 1 ते 2 किंवा 3 लेयर ज्या आहेत त्या मिडल लेयरच्या असतात किंवा त्या 3 मिळून मिडल लेयर जी आहे ती तयार होते. आफ्टर मिडल लेयर there is a tapetum is the most nutritive layer of the anther. This layer gives nutrition to the sporogenous tissue, and this sporogenous tissue also known as MMC, that is microspore mother cell. मायक्रोस्पोर मदर सेलला टपेटम जे आहे ते पोषण पुरवतं आणि त्याच्यामुळे मायक्रोस्पोर जो आहे तो व्यवस्थित तयार होऊ शकतो. अशा प्रकारे तुम्ही टीएस ऑफ अँथर हा टॉपिक तयार करू शकता. याची जी डायग्राम आहे ती फक्त एवढी मी रिप्रेझेंट केलेली आहे. तुम्हाला ती पूर्ण डायग्राम फिगर 1.4a ही पूर्ण तयार करायची आहे, ज्यामध्ये तुम्हाला बायलोब स्ट्रक्चर जे आहे ते दाखवता आलं पाहिजे, कनेक्टिव्ह असायला पाहिजे, 4 पोलन सॅक्स असायला पाहिजे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये हे सगळं स्ट्रक्चर तुम्हाला ड्रॉ करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे ना. तर अशा प्रकारे हा आजच्या दिवसातला ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्सचा दुसरा टॉपिक. पहिला टॉपिक बघितला आपण अँथर, सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स, त्याच्यामध्ये अँथर बघितला. त्यानंतर टीएस ऑफ अँथर हा टॉपिक आहे आणि यानंतर पुढचा जो टॉपिक आहे तो आहे स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मायक्रोस्पोर.